Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rise of Nations on PS4. Unfortunately, Rise of Nations is a classic real-time strategy game that was developed exclusively for personal computers. This means there is no official version or port of the game available for the PlayStation 4 console. It was designed from the ground up for PC, making it unavailable on other platforms. Rise of Nations was developed by Big Huge Games and published by Microsoft, exclusively for Windows personal computers. This design choice means the game relies heavily on a keyboard and mouse for its intricate controls and user interface. Adapting such a complex real-time strategy experience to a console gamepad would be a significant challenge, which is why it remains a PC-only title. It is quite common for deep real-time strategy games like Rise of Nations to remain exclusive to personal computers. The intricate user interface and numerous commands are difficult to translate effectively to a console controller. Developers typically prioritize the platform for which the game was originally designed, and there have been no official announcements or plans for PlayStation 4 version of Rise of Nations. If you wish to experience the acclaimed gameplay of Rise of Nations, the definitive way to do so is on a personal computer. You can find the game available for purchase on digital storefronts such as Steam. Just ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements to enjoy this classic real-time strategy title as it was meant to be played on its original platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.